Brate, ovo nije uhozbele vershovice.
Hi, do you know that feeling when you're on the computer, minding your own business, surfing the web, and all of a sudden the internet goes down? Wait a second, we all know that feeling. So because of that, I made this video for you, so you can know what to do when your internet goes down. Now it's very simple. First, call your internet provider and ask them when their internet is going to be back. And second, crawl into the fetal position and stay like that until the internet is back. So yeah, I hope these tips helped you. Now be sure to subscribe by clicking this button below so you don't miss any of my new episodes. My Kentucky DruggedChicken episode is coming out on Saturday and my creative video is coming out on Sunday. So yeah, that's it. See you in the next episode. Bye!